Welcome to our channel, where today we delve into a critical issue affecting non-citizens in the United States on an H-1B visa who face significant legal challenges, including the risk of deportation, under circumstances involving a felony domestic violence conviction. This journey into the complexities of immigration law is both crucial and urgent. The video will explore several key areas. We'll start with understanding deportability issues linked to felony domestic violence convictions. Then, we'll discuss the impacts of the Laken Riley Act, which mandates detention. This will be followed by legal strategies that can be employed. Lastly, we'll summarize key considerations and legal insights. A felony domestic violence conviction is a significant issue for non-citizens, particularly on an H-1B visa, because it makes them deportable. A plea of guilty can lead to a categorization as a crime involving moral turpitude, which often results in mandatory deportation. This holds true even if the individual claims innocence. If the individual falls under the scope of the Laken Riley Act, ICE detention is mandatory during the removal process. This means that the agency requires the person to remain in custody, emphasizing the severity and legal constraints of the situation. Now, let's explore the legal strategies that are available. The focus needs to be on immediate action and engaging experienced legal help to navigate the complexities of immigration law. Immediate action is critical. An individual should hire a removal defense attorney who specializes in post-conviction relief because the typical employer's immigration attorney may not have the necessary expertise. Gathering documentation such as court records, visa papers, and evidence of rehabilitation or good moral character is vital. Additionally, the ICE locator tool helps determine the detainee's location. Another set of actions involves assessing potential options. Post-conviction relief provides an opportunity to challenge the initial conviction if legal errors or new evidence are present. Voluntary departure is another path, as it allows leaving the United States without an official deportation order against the individual. Let's take a moment for a quick quiz. Which act mandates detention during the removal process for certain offenses? A. Laken Riley Act. B. Patriot Act. C. Freedom of Information Act. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the answer in the next section. The correct answer is the Laken Riley Act. This act mandates detention during the removal process for individuals convicted of specific offenses, particularly those related to violence or threats. In summary, a felony domestic violence conviction on an H-1B visa can lead to deportation, with mandatory detention under the Laken Riley Act. Immediate legal actions, such as hiring a removal defense attorney and gathering documentation, are crucial. Furthermore, understanding and thoroughly exploring legal strategies and options can help navigate this challenging process. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if the information was useful to you. We would love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Stay informed, and see you next time.